Motor City Paddle Club Kayak Rentals here. We're at the Detroit Boat Show in Novi. Come out and visit us today until 5 o'clock. We're at the Wabeek boat booth here, selling the Wabeek boat and all the accessories available. As always, we have all information about Motor City Paddle Club Kayak Rentals. Come see us today. We'll be happy to share with you all of our information. We're opening up a second location at Brandenburg Park in Chesterfield. We'll be serving hot dogs from our hot dog cart with our new brand, Motor City Paddle Dogs. We have our clearance booth down here for Wabeek. All these items down here are priced to move. We want to get rid of them today. Come out and purchase them. We have our doggy dock, inflatable couch. Everything meant to be in the water. Be out here today in Novi at the Detroit Boat Show till 5 o'clock. If you're in the market for a Wabeek boat, want to learn about kayaking, stop by and give us a chat with us. We'd be more than happy to share our information. We have the Wabeek boat on sale. Stop by, ask us for special show pricing. Hope to see you today, Detroit Boat Show. Motor City Paddle Club's here.